Kat hadu kasngi bakut thep kerteng ki kertong na ribhoi destreng hakai nyau tarik urempang ar pholai nagbenta ka samoy election MLA ar pholai hadu usnam ar phopra kilakinjo baro lai pho san ngud habak hen kulum kata ki south li ki seng sain hima ki balasei marmar uwei ukertong na san constituency kilong ka Indian National Congress, ka Bharatiya Janata Party, ka National People Party, ka Trinamool Congress, katba ka United Democratic Party, ka sei kertong tangsau constituency. Naka Indian National Congress jongki kertong kikentup yuba Charles Marngar, naka pra Mauhati constituency, ka kong Rona Khendai naka Khendai Nongpo constituency, uba Adrian Milim Khan, naka Shipau Jirang constituency, u Dr. Celestin Lingdo, naka Khatway Umsning constituency, uba Stanley Wes Rambai, naka Khatar Umroi constituency. Naka Bharatiya Janata Party uba Everest Marsing, naka Phra Mahoti constituency, ka kong Marian Maring, naka Khendai Nongpo constituency, ka Ria Sangma naka Shipho Jirang constituency, uba Durut Majau naka Khatway Umsning constituency, bat uba Shanbor Ramde naka Khatar Umroi constituency. Naka National People Party uba Shampang Lingdo, naka Phra Mauhati constituency, ka kong Magdalene S. Maulong naka Khendai Nongpo constituency, uba Sosthenes Sotun naka Shipho Jirang constituency, uba Jason S. Maulong naka Khatway Umsning constituency, uba Daman Bait Lamare naka Khatar Umroi constituency. Naka Trinamool Congress ka Dr. Saralin Dorphang naka Phra Mauhati constituency, uba Longsing Be naka Khendai Nongpo constituency, uba Sanmun Marak naka Shipho Jirang constituency, uba Gilbert Nongrum naka Khatway Umsning constituency, uba George B. Lingdo naka Khatar Umroi constituency. Naka United Democratic Party uba Bayahunlang Makdo naka Phra Mauhati constituency, uba Meral Bons Im naka Khendai Nongpo constituency, uba Bathok Nong Mali naka Shipho Jirang constituency, uba Sunshine Makri naka Khatway Umsning constituency, batna Umroi constituency Omshem Ladon. Naka People Democratic Front uba Roswell Shadap naka Phra Mauhati constituency, uba Donlang Soklan naka Khatway Umsning constituency, uba Bayateilang Lapang naka Khatar Umroi constituency. Naka Hill State People Democratic Party ka kong Eva Lini Kharbani naka Phra Mauhati constituency, uba Primson Makdo naka Khatway Umsning constituency. Naka Voice of the People Party u Dr. R. Singkon naka Khatway Umsning constituency, bat naka Republican Party of India RPI ka Serimina di Marak na Shipho Jirang constituency. Katba ki kertong shimet ne independent kentup saungun kata uba Osbat Bateilang Rinja na Phra Mauhati constituency, uba Bismo Ingti na Khendai Nongpo constituency, uba Li Bare bat uba Forecaster Nongrang, Baro Arngut na Shipho Jirang constituency.